Hello students, this is your Prakasham sir from Math Beyond Marks, where you can learn concepts first and marks will follow automatically. In this video, we are going to see about parallelogram and its properties. In the previous video, we have seen if opposite sides are equal, it is a rectangle. That means we have seen about a rectangle. If opposite sides are equal, is it always a rectangle alone or anything related to today's topic? Let us see and check that statement in this video. Please watch continuously to know the result of that one. To prove the concept, we will start with the properties of parallelogram. That is, property number 1 is opposite sides are equal. What does it mean? Here in this parallelogram, these two opposite sides must be this dark blue and this one must be equal. These two opposite sides must be equal. How to prove that one? Consider this parallelogram. Now what happens? The opposite sides are moving and exactly sliding on the another one. It exactly matches and keeps the place on that one. That itself shows that this opposite side is equal to this and that one is equal to this one. That means two pairs of opposite sides are equal. So from here to there it moves, and from bottom to top it moves and coincides one on another. Hence opposite sides are equal. What is our next property? Property number 2, opposite angles are equal. In this diagram we have to show that this red angle and this one red both are equal, or either this and this are equal or both are equal and opposite angles are equal means two pairs of opposite angles are here. Let us prove. How to prove that one? Same. Now consider this parallelogram. These two angles are moving and coinciding on the opposite one. Let you watch that. So these two angles are exactly coinciding on the opposite, proving that the angles are same. That means one opposite angle, another one, both two pairs of opposite angles are equal. So we can 100% say that these opposite angles, the size, the degree is 30 degree means 30 degree, 60 degree means 60 degree, both are equal. Property number 3, adjacent angles are supplementary. What does it mean? Adjacent angles are supplementary. This first angle and this angle, it forms 180 degree. Supplementary means 180 degree. Both are going to form 180 degree. How we are going to prove that one? Consider the same parallelogram. What happens? These two angles I am taking and pasting in the another place. Let you watch. These two angles I am taking and pasting on a straight line. It forms, now you can see 180 degree. You too can verify this by paper cutting. That corners you can cut and keep it on the line such that that will form exactly like a compass 180 degree. Okay, so this two only not, these other two angles also possible. We can make these two adjacent angles automatically supplementary. What about the next property? Property number 4 is diagonals bisect each other. What is the meaning of diagonals bisect each other? This half and this half, that means this green divides the yellow into two equal parts, or this one divides the another one into two equal parts. Now consider this one that goes on coming down and it exactly fits the same. That means that line moved down and it coincides on the second line, that second half. First half fits on the second half. In the same manner, in second diagonal also, first half fits on the second half. That means what? The diagonals are bisected. That means one diagonal divides the other one into two equal parts, or one more diagonal divides this one into two equal parts. That means first diagonal divides the second one into two equal parts. Second diagonal divides the first one into two equal parts. Hence our fourth property is proved by showing that the diagonals are reduced and that comes and exactly matches this one. So now, till now, what we have seen? What we have seen till now? Properties of parallelogram. Property number 1, opposite sides are equal. Property number 2, opposite angles are equal. Property number 3, adjacent angles are supplementary. Property number 4, diagonals bisect each other. Now, what's our topic? If opposite sides are parallel and equal, is it rectangle alone or anything? But here also it is there. In this parallelogram also we have seen those two properties. Opposite angles are equal and also parallel also. But what is the difference between this parallelogram and rectangle means? In the rectangle, the adjacent angles are 90 degree, that is perpendicular. That one we have seen in addition to that of the parallelogram. All the properties of parallelogram exist in the rectangle also, but rectangle has one extra property, that means that angles are perpendicular. Now I hope you are clear, my dear children. If you have understood well, please like this and pass on this information to others, and you too subscribe this channel and watch the forthcoming videos. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from your Prakasam sir.